Now the crank sensor is buried all the way down there. We don't got no access, so we went to the wire schematic diagram and we find the wire. It goes there. We thought we think we missing CAM signal in this car. So go ahead, Doc, and crank it. Go ahead. Yeah. All right. Nothing happened here. Nothing happened. Let me change the wire to different position here. Wow. And that wire, I got 10 volts. All right, let's crank it and see now. See what happened here. Okay. Yeah, hold on a second. Let me change this over here. Let me change the Go ahead. All right, let me change this over here again. Go ahead. Okay, hold it. I'm gonna change it again, but I want a 5-second screen. I want more repetitions here so I can see back. Go ahead. Continue. Continue. Okay. All right. Okay. So now I need, now we're gonna do, what are we missing here? Okay. You can turn the ignition switch off because we're gonna go to the injectors now. I got a signal there, but I don't put it with the engine running. I should do it with the engine running. Hold on a second. Let me see if the engine wanna run. Back. Okay. Fuel injection CAM sensor signature. Okay. Try to crank it. You don't want to run? I want to see more repetition here. Engine running. Let's see here. The glare. The glare here is terrible, but it's okay. Let me see. If I put more, let me see 1 second. Okay, I got more repetition there. You see there? Now, one thing I don't like about this car before, we got that over there here. See, file. Okay. One thing I don't got here. What is that hissing? Man, what is that hissing there? Is a vacuum leak?
Yep, right there.
Let me take this out of here. Let me see something here before we... Okay. You see, the hissing was over there?
Yeah, look at this goop that they got on here.
Oh my God.
What's that all about? Huh?
We just find a problem. We just find a problem. You know, the whole problem about this thing is what you say from the beginning, Doc, is that engine they swapped there.
Yeah. So what we were getting there, were you getting a loose connection or something you were pulling on this?
Yep. Let me take this out of here. And I'm gonna try to crank this car. What I don't like about this car, let me crank it and see if it start. But I think we're missing injector pulls there. Wiggle the harness there. Yeah, like pull it. There we go. We just find a problem.
And one side or the other of that harness is
all right, guys. What a gray area.